Today we're installing interior protection on the 2025 Tacoma. I went with TripleALiners for the bed mat, the tailgate mat, and the floor mats. All right, let's get these rolled out in the sun. Now for the first test, and it is the most important one, the smell test. That actually smells great. I don't smell any off-gassing. Doesn't really smell like rubber. So right out of the box, these are very good. Rubber mats often off-gas heavy chemicals for weeks. These, they smell fine. They're clean right out of the box. What we're doing here is a 15-minute sun bake. It's to relax the rubber so it molds perfectly to the vehicle specs. Oh wow, these are way better than the OEM, the Toyota ones. I want to highlight something here because this is also part of an upgrade. These are the OEM Toyota Tacoma mats. Came directly from Toyota themselves, from the dealership. I think they charge like $400 for these or something. This is the driver mat. This is the TripleALiner driver mat. Look at how much more coverage the TripleALiner mat has. I don't know, it's probably 10–15% more coverage, and it looks like it fits way better, has way more protection. Let's get these things installed. Fit and finish is OEM level. We're talking high density quality rubber here. We're not talking cheap plastic. One more look at the driver's side fit here. All right, let's get the back floor mats in. It comes in one piece and it goes over the little saddle in the middle. These are definitely way better than I anticipated. I like having this over the saddle. Look at that fit. The fit is perfect. Like I said, it goes right over the saddle. Let's take a look again at the passenger side fit here. This is perfect. So the way you're supposed to install the bed mat and the tailgate mat is that all these holes in the mats, you're supposed to cut these out, take the screws out of your bed, and then screw it right back in. So let's see how this thing fits. That is a perfect fit, guys. OEM level fit, every single contour, no gaps. This is a perfect all-weather mat for the bed. As for the tailgate mat, this thing also looks like an absolute perfect fit. Last test will be, let's see if the tailgate closes. Perfect close, no issue. Look at this, even the intern approves. If you want the protection without the headache of toxic fumes, this is the buy it for life option. TripleALiners. I've linked all the liners in the Analyst Audit Vault in the Tacoma truck section. Click the link in my bio. Get yours today.